depend on the numbers. If we write 25.7, then characteristics is 1. Depends on these numbers, 1, 2 numbers. Now, what is the characteristics of 257.8? Then again, it depends on the numbers. How many 3 numbers are there? The characteristics is 2. Now, but at the same time, yes, means here, this is way of writing the characteristics. If the number is only 257 also, the characteristics 2. Now, but the question arises of the point, decimal point. If the number is 0.5, means if there is no digit before the point, then the characteristics depend on this place of this first non-zero number. Characteristics depend on the first place of first non-zero number. What is the first non-zero number is 5, and it is after point directly. There is no zero number in between 5 and the decimal point. So it's the characteristics is bar 1. See here, your experience will give you the detailed idea. Learning experience, we call it as 0.5. The characteristics is bar 1. But if I write 0.05, now see here, this is a 5, which is the first non-zero number after point. 5 is the first non-zero number. That's it. Whatever may be the number after 5, it's not important. So after how many zeros 5 is there? After 1 zero. So the characteristics is bar 2. Characteristics is bar 2. Now if I write 0.005, then what will be the characteristics? It was my question. It is bar 3. So here bar 1, bar 2, bar 3. Try to understand. Now, but at the same time, if I write 0.57, then what is the characteristics? Still it is bar 1, because it doesn't depend on the next non-zero number. It depends on this non-zero number. If I write the characteristics of 507, then it is again bar 1. It is again bar 1. Again it is bar 1. If the characteristics is, see here, we have to find only the characteristics depend on the, see when there is no number before the decimal point. Zero number is there before the decimal point. Then it is, say the number is less than 1. All such numbers are called less than 1 number. Then after point, if there is 1 zero, the characteristic is 2. There is no zero, the characteristic is bar 1. Okay. There are whatever may be the numbers there. It doesn't depend. But after point, see here the doubt. I had told you what is meant by the characteristics. Come to our definition of characteristics. It is a shortcut way to write the characteristics. Characteristics means when any number expressed in the terms of powers of 10. See here 0.2. 0.2 is written as what? 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus something, whatever it may be. 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 is 0.2, because 0.2 means 2 upon 10. It will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. So 0.2 is expressed in the powers of 10. So again, if I write 0.25725, then it will be what? It is what actually? It is what? 25 upon 100. What is it? It is 20 upon 100 plus 5 upon 100. But actually, you know, it is what? 2 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. Try to understand this. And it is what? 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. Let me write it again. Plus 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now, what is the highest power of 10? That is minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. So it's a characteristics minus 1 matlab bar 1. Similarly, here characteristics minus 1 matlab bar 1. And the number is expressed in the powers of 10. The highest power of 10 is called the characteristics. Again, I write the same number in different way. 0.207. How will you write that 0.207? See here, this is. It depends on this. Don't think about if there is no zero and so on. What is there is important. Bar 1 is there. Because these numbers are not considered while finding the characteristic. The characteristic is found by only when there is a situation of 0 point something. If after point directly the number is there, then characteristics is bar 1. If after point, if there is a 0 and then non-zero number, then characteristics is bar. If the after 0 point, 0 must be there. 0.2 bar 1, 0.02 bar 2, 0.002 bar 3, 0.57, then again bar 1. We have to concentrate only on this part. If 0 is there first, 0 point something is there, then you will concentrate on only this, not the numbers after that. Again 0.5, 0.7, 0.8, nothing. These are not important. We have to concentrate. 0 is there, point. So bar 1 is there. So these are the characteristics of the numbers. Now I have a question then. What is the characteristics of 0.0007805? Then what is the characteristics? Bar 5, bar 5. After point, it is the fifth place of the number, non-zero number. First non-zero number is fifth place, 7. So 5, bar 5. If I change, then what is the characteristics? Now what is the characteristics? Yes, bar 4 and so on. Bar 4 and so on. So you all are familiar with the characteristics of number. Now, what is the characteristics of 25.87? Okay. What is 258.7? 28570. 28570. Yes. And now what is the characteristics of the same number? Now. 2.8570. Yes. And what will be the characteristics of this number? Bar 1. Yes. If I adjust 0.02, then what is the characteristics now? Bar 2. Okay, you got my point of the characteristics. Characteristics plays very important role. Now, how to find the mantissa? Mantissa of a number. Consider any number. Suppose 2578. Consider the first two digit. If again 2578, then the first two digit. If again 25.78, the first two digit. If the same number is there, 0.2578, first two non-zero numbers. Consider the number without decimal point. डेसिमल पॉइंट को हटा लो और इसको कंसिडर करो, तो ये 0.2578 होगा। 2578 पहले दो नॉन जीरो नंबर है, टू पहला टू और उसके बाद अगेन ये है कंसिडरेशन कैसे करना है मैंटिसा फाइंड करते समय। सिर्फ आपको देखना है 2057, सो पहले दो नंबर कौन से 20, अगेन 20.57, 20 20057, so 20, but again you have the numbers Mantissa 0.02578. Then which are the first two numbers? Which are the first two numbers you will consider? 25 only. Zero you know. First zero you will delete. First zero. But if there is zero, then you will consider 20. If you write here 270, they will also consider 27. First non-zero number and the next number whatever they will, you have to consider these two numbers, and you will use the next two digits, first two digits and next two digits without decimal point consider. And now see here how to find the mantissa. See here we have the screen here. See here, so there will be a log table book. In this book you have this type of, see here, x is your number, x is 57, the first two digits will be 57. When first two digits are 57, first two digits are 58, first two digits are 59, first two digits are 60, first two digits are 61 and 62 and 63. And now you will decide the next two digits. After 57, if the number is 5737, 5737 is number, then you will find the number in the under the column 3. What is that number? 758. 5737 हमने बोला, and you will find the number under the column 7. ये आगे सी कॉलम है, इसमें 7 के कौन सा नंबर है? 6. ये 6 हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे 7582 में, तो 7588 होगा उसका मैंटिसा। अब देखिए हमारे पास एक नंबर है 573837. हाउ विल यू फाइंड द मैंटिस ऑफ दिस नंबर 5737 का? तो आपको पहले दो डिजिट कंसिडर करना है 57, तो 57 ये टेबल में आप लोग लेके जाओगे, टेबल रहता है, सो दिस इज 57. ओके, नंबर 57 इज देयर. यस, 57 में 57 में आपको लेके जाना है ये 57. 57 मेरे पास एक एग्जांपल है, फिर आप जाओगे 37 में, 57 37 पहले दो डिजिट 3, 3 में 7582 और 7 में ये 7 आगे का कॉलम, ये लॉक टेबल में आपको देखना है, वो गया मैंटिसा तैयार. मैंटिसा तैयार. रुको 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 रुको, 5737 है ना, एक ही नंबर के बारे में हमसे सोचेंगे, ओनली वन नंबर 5737. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट जा रहा है इसको यूज करना. स्क्रीन पे नहीं बैठता हूँ, कंप्लीट स्क्रीन पे नहीं आता। लॉक टेबल में आपको जाना, समझो अपने पास है 5737, तो आप लोग पहला 57 ले लेंगे और 3 के कॉलम में ये नंबर आपका आ जाएगा। और आगे जो हाँ 7589, 75 अभी मेरे पास 75 नहीं, इसमें देखो ना, ये एक्स में जो नंबर है वो बताइए मुझे, पहला नंबर। हाँ बराबर है वो। अब एक नंबर लीजिए 5737, तो 5737 जो चार, पहले 4 डिजिट कंसिडर करना है, जो कुछ नंबर दिया है आपको उसको लॉक फाइंड करते समय। और 4 डिजिट में पहले 2 नॉन जीरो, ना पहला नंबर नॉन जीरो होना चाहिए, फिर आगे कुछ भी हो, ऐसे 2 डिजिट बनाने के, समझो हमने 57 बनाया, फिर रिमेनिंग जो टू डिजिट रहेंगे उनको हमको लेके जाना है, और वो ये 7 वाला उसमें ऐड हो जाएगा 6 से, जो 7588 ऐसा हुआ। अब हमारे पास है समझो नंबर 59, उसके आगे एक नंबर बोलिए, 59 के आगे आप क्या चाहते हो? अगर हमारे पास नंबर है ऐसा 59, कुछ भी बोलो, 5902, ठीक है, चलो 5902 है, ये 5902 नंबर आपके पास है, देख लिया था आपने 59, पहले 2 डिजिट है 59, ये देखो पहले 2 डिजिट 59। अब जीरो, जीरो में जाइए, ये जीरो, उसके सामने जीरो को कॉलम है, जीरो में क्या है 7709, ठीक है, 7709 में ये दूसरा दो, ये आगे और एक लास्ट कॉलम में, ये 2 का कॉलम है, 2 के कॉलम में कितना आता है, ये 1, 57 58 59 1 आता है, वो उसमें ऐड कीजिए। तो 59 का जीरो का कॉलम कौन सा, पहला डिजिट इधर से आएगा, तीसरा डिजिट इधर से, ऐसा बोलो, और ये चौथा डिजिट इधर से, और पहले 2 डिजिट ये कॉलम से, आपके पास लॉग बुक होगा तो पहले 2 डिजिट इस कॉलम से, और लास्ट 2 डिजिट में पहला डिजिट इस कॉलम से, यस 7708, 7709, और उसमें एक ऐड किया ना, 7709 में एक ऐड करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है। इस तरह से होता है मैंटिसा, ये होता है मैंटिसा। 20 बराबर है, बहुत सही, 5920, बहुत सही बोला, 5920, वेरी गुड। एक नंबर आया है कि 5920 का मैंटिसा क्या होगा, बराबर है, 59 है। फिर थर्ड डिजिट क्या है, 2 है, तो 2 के कॉलम में जाइए, 7723, और इधर जीरो का कॉलम है क्या, नहीं, ये फोर्थ डिजिट के लिए, ये फोर्थ डिजिट के लिए ये 3 कॉलम नहीं है, तो अपना आंसर क्या रहेगा फिर, 592, 592, 7723 will be your answer, 7723 will be your answer. So this is the way of finding what, mantissa. हाँ बोलिए।
हेलो सर।
आवाज नहीं आ रही यार, आज तरह से काम नहीं हो
हेलो।
रहा। हाँ बोलो।
हेलो सर,
बोलिए ना।
आपकी आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
हाँ, यस यस यस, लिसन।
अ,